I've got my fall Goldie box. So if you want to see what I chose and hear a little bit more about this box, then stay tuned. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Bandit's hanging out with me because my mom's done with dinner, so I guess, now I'm okay to hang out with. And Chloe's hanging out with her cat, Dexter. But if you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for checking us out. We do all kinds of unboxings, unbaggings, get ready with me's, hauls, clothing trends, all kinds of stuff like that. So if you're into that kind of thing, please consider hitting that subscribe button. It is totally free to subscribe. And if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. So this is my Goldieboxed box. Now, Goldieboxed is put out. It's a one-woman show. It's Jess over at Everything Proof. If you've ever seen her channel, she does FabFitFun. I think she still does Ipsy. And she puts out this box on her own. So it's all her. So yes, it's the fall box. Yes, I'm getting it mid-November. But I'm still going to love the things in here, and she's just one person doing it all. Everything in here is cruelty-free, so she only works with cruelty-free brands. Some of them will be vegan, but not all of them. If there's any leather-like products, those are all vegan leather, so totally cruelty-free. She looks for things that are made from reusable, recyclable, sustainable materials that have been recycled or upcycled. And she also plants a tree for every box sold. So great values behind here. And then some of the brands in here will have a give back story, although I won't have that story. But I will tell you, because there's an asterisk next to them, if they have a give back story that you could check out. All right, so here we go. While I have you guys here, have any of you used any of the automatic cat litter boxes? If so, which one, and do you love it or not? So we're looking, I did get the Pet Safe one that's just the tray, but you have to keep changing out the bottom, and it says it's good for a month. It's not. And it's crystal litter, so it doesn't clump. So the little rake that goes across does not push the urine litter, and the cat doesn't like that and wants to not use the box, so we have to keep filling it up with fresh litter or keep buying $25 pans. So I'm thinking about getting one of the bigger ones. I don't care about monitoring the health, but the bigger ones that are kind of usually circular shaped tend to have better reviews when it comes to getting the litter kind of out from there. They kind of turn, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, I'm looking at the Litter Robot, the Pet Snow, the Pet Safe, which is the cheapest of them, but doesn't have the best reviews for longevity. And that's the big globe one, not because we have the pan one. And Pet Kit, those were the ones I was looking at. Litter Robot for very expensive, but all the reviews are great. So if any of you have used that, or any of those, let me know your experiences down below. I'm really interested to hear. So you can get a little flyer that talks about what is in your box with prices. And usually there's something that tells you, I don't see. Oh yeah, okay. So there is a little crown next to the ones that have a give back story, but it doesn't tell you the give back story. So you'd have to look that up if you're interested, but I will tell you if any of the items I chose have a give back story. You can get, I get the gold level, so that's the highest level, and you get to choose 7 items, and then you get 3 items that are a mystery that all of your gold bears get. So that's what I do. There are, I think, 12 items that you can choose from, no categories. It's just, here's all 12 items, choose the 7 you want. Then there is a silver and a bronze. I think the silver is 5 items, I think. Not 100% sure. I'll put it down below. And then the bronze is, I think, 4. And with the silver, you get 2 items that she chooses for all silver members. And with the bronze, you get one item that she chooses for all bronze members. So there are different price points. You can also get a surprise one, which is just 3 items for, I think it's $25. And she always wraps it in festive tissue wrap, and she doesn't put stickers on it, so you can reuse that, which is nice. And right on top, the only sneak peek you got was of the scarf. This is Macchia di Regine, and this is a mustard colored scarf, and I just thought, what a nice color for the season. Now this is a $16 value, and it is one of their Cozy brand favorites. You could have gotten it in mustard or white. White would have been a nice choice thinking about winter time, but I went with the mustard because I just like it. And because white, because I wear makeup, it will end up getting on it. So I tend to stay away from white near my face, but it's a nice scarf. Kind of layers very nicely. So yeah, I have a lot of sweaters that this will go really well with. All right, so next, this is a necklace, but I almost actually thought I wasn't going to use it as a necklace, but as home decor. This is by Funky Monkey, and it has this little tassel on the end. All right, so it's kind of long. You can't actually see all of it, but I was thinking actually this would be a nice piece of home decor. And you could put this like in a basket, and that's what I thought I would use it for. And this is a $28 value. It is made of wooden beads, and it gives kind of a bohemian look, it says. And so these are wooden beads. These here are not, they look to be more of like an acetate maybe, does it say? Does not. But anyway, you could use it as a necklace. I'm going to use it as home decor though. Next, by Snow Fox. So this was in the last box, and not this particular one, this brand was in the summer box, and I picked up something. Haven't had a chance to use it yet, but I have used Snow Fox before, and it's really good for sensitive skin and for people with rosacea. So when I see that she has it, I'm going to always grab it. This is actually a Goodnight Lavender Facial Cleansing Oil. And I thought, I love a facial cleansing oil, so why not? Here is how it looks. The bottle is a very hard plastic. This is a $38 value, and it is the first step in a dual cleansing routine. And it can remove makeup, even waterproof makeup, it says. Next, by Earth Harbor, another brand that I absolutely love, and I hadn't tried this particular one. This is the Citrus Sea Purifying Exfoliation Potion, and it's a facial exfoliator with seaweed complex, green tea, turmeric, and eucalyptus. So it says it's going to give you smooth, clear skin. You know, I always talk about, I love an exfoliator. I exfoliate every night. Not usually in the morning, but at night I do. Look at the color of this, the simplicity. And this does have a give back story. And this particular brand is female founded. They are vegan, they are plant-based. They, of course, cruelty free. Made from recycled materials or recyclable materials, so it's glass. Clean beauty, fair trade, small batch made, no gluten added and no soy added. So love, love, love this brand. Now I just opened an exfoliator. Ooh, that smells so good. But I think it was a small one. I'm trying to remember which one it was, but I think it's a small one. So I'm going to use that one next. Next, by, who's this by? It's an apron. And it's just a nice, simple blue and white stitched one. This is, I saw it in here, Mima, and it's a $35 to $40 value. I think there were maybe 2 different ones. No, I don't. Thought maybe there was like one of those just around the waist ones. But anyway, it is made from upcycled denim, which I really liked that because I know it's going to be a nice heavy material. And it has full pockets. Now this does have a give back story. I don't know much about the brand. But look at that. So pretty. They've got it just tied up. It says our everyday goods are made with fibers that jean manufacturers and yarn mills discard as waste. We give these materials a second life, converting them into durable and beautiful new products. Our own waste is used by coffee growers as a natural compost, returning to the earth and continuing the cycle. So that is their story. And Jess does go over this. And so I think that was another thing that drew me to this, because I was like, do I need another apron? Probably not. I have like 2, I think, at home. But it's a good size one. All right, look at that pocket. That's a giant pocket. Then there's another big pocket up front. And then look at the back, all right? So it goes over your head and then it crisscrosses so it's not going to fall off. And then you've got your tie here. Next by Palmori is their Tea House candle. And I think this had 2 cents. Yes, Tea House and Hidden Forest. So these are soy-based waxed candles. They're valued at $24. And they have fragrance oils and gemstones. And we got these before and they were so good. Like, I burnt every last bit of it, and then I gave my daughter the stones out of there because she loves to collect stones. Yeah, it smells so good. Let me give you the scent notes because they're on here, because I'm terrible at that. The top is caraway seed, rhubarb, lemon, and orange. The middle is green tea, jasmine, carnation, and fennel. And then the base is amber, oak, musk, and mint. I'm not getting any of those base, although maybe when you burn it, you will. But I'm definitely getting some of that citrus. Yep, some green tea and jasmine. Not a strong green tea, though. Very, very light tea scent. And then my last choice item is the Live the Gem. Is that it? Yes, Live the Gem. This is their Pumpkin Chai Coffee Gem Collection Body Scrub. And I am so in need of new body scrub. Right now I'm using this tiny little mud masky tube, which is nice, but it's not going to last long. All right, that smells like pumpkin chai. Oh, so good. Oh, that's going to be a nice one. This is a foaming sugar body scrub valued at $25, and it exfoliates while it cleans, and I love a good exfoliation. And it says pumpkin chai is the true fall scent with brown sugar added to the base. And then there was another one which was chamomile garden, which was more of a fresh, light scent. So they do, she does offer you the opportunity to do add-ons for $8 as a Gold Bear member, but that was not available because I was looking to add on that and the other candle, but I don't think either one was available. Now, some other things that you could have chose by Clay Cosmetics. There was a liquid eyeliner by Modern Alchemy. There was an anti-aging serum full of ceramides, fatty acids, algae extract, and 14 seed oils by Peaky. So there's always a family-friendly activity or choice. So this time around it was by Peaky, and it was 101 fun and educational activities in categories of arts, crafts, science, and nature. So that is designed for ages 5 to 11, so Chloe's a little bit old for that. And by Proofed, there was some plastic-free laundry sheets. I actually do use those, but I get them from Grove, and they have such nice scents, and I believe these were scent-free. Yeah, fragrance-free or clean scent. So I usually get mine from Grove, though. Okay, so fall bonuses. So all Bronze Bear members received these 2 little preservatives, and we have cranberry maple medley and pumpkin maple butter. So yum. This is a $6 value, and they're from Blake Hill. Now sometimes what I find is, as much as like I really love the things I chose, the things that she chose, the things that she chooses to put in there sometimes become my favorites. The Silver Bear is a pack, 3 packs of the Barefoot Scientist travel foot creams. Now this is a $10 value for these 3. And it does say that they are for sensitive skin, and they're made from organic and cruelty-free ingredients for intense hydration. And then for the gold, and look at how gorgeous this is. All right, so this is Ori Originals. Although on the back it says, oh, it's Living Goods by Ori Originals, and that's O-R-E. This is an $8.95 value, and they came in various colors and styles. They can be used to hold a mug, jewelry, change, olives, small appetizers, things like that. You can put one of your, put both of them in here actually, and put it out for when you make like crostini, which we do enjoy. Take a little French bread, slice it up, put a little olive oil on it. We get a lot of flavored olive oils. We like the lemon on it. Bake it till it's just lightly brown and crispy. Then you put a little jam and a little goat cheese on there. Amazing. So that is my Goldieboxed, and I think there were so many great choices, and I'm really happy with what I chose. But I have to say, I don't know if my favorite is the 2 little preservatives, this little tray, or any of the other things. But I'm pretty excited for all of them. So great job as always, Jess. Thank you so much for choosing the things you do and putting this box together. We know that you are a one-woman show and you put your all into it, and it's a labor of love, and we also appreciate it. All right, well, tell me down below, what was your favorite, and do you get Goldieboxed? What did you get? And yeah, tell me about those litter boxes if you've used them. Are they worth it? Let me know. All right, well, thank you so much for spending a little of your time with me. Please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell, and hopefully we'll see you soon.